Hello friends, my name is Dr. P.M.Malek. Currently I am working as a Principal and H.O.D at Education Department. Welcome to my YouTube channel PM Knowledge Hub. Today we will discuss about contents prior to the chapters. This video provides a general introduction about contents that are written prior to the chapters. The contents prior to the chapters include title page, thesis certificate, acknowledgements, abstract, contains, list of figure, list of table, and nomenclatures. Let's try to understand one by one. Title page. Title page contains the title written properly with alignment at the center. It should have a proper title. Name of the student who is submitting the thesis, name of the guide, and the name of the institute along with an emblem in a systematic and logical manner. It must be free of errors. Example is shown in the figure. This is certificate. This page contains the certificate from the guide declaring that the work is a bona fide record of the research work done by the student under his supervision. Also, he will clarify that the contents of the thesis in full or in part have not been submitted to any other institute or university for the award of any degree. Acknowledgement. This page contains the acknowledgement aspect in which the student is expected to thank the people who have helped in his or her work. Mention only those who have helped in your work, experiments or solving your problem. Normally, faculty in your working area or lab technician who have helped in measuring or setup. Contents. Contents may span into pages more than one, giving all the details of the thesis, chapters, subheadings, and other details along with page numbers. Example for the content page is as shown in the figure. List of figures and tables. After the contents are written and placed in order as per their page numbers, it is the turn of the list of figures and tables. Based on the chapter and the figure number in that particular chapter, they can be numbered as 3.4.1, 3.4.2 or so. Here, the first digit refers to the chapter number and the rest digit refers to the figure number or table number in that chapter. Model list of figure or graph and the list of table is shown in the figure. Nomenclature. Nomenclature is a set or system of names or terms as those used in a particular science or art by an individual or community. The foreign words or symbols used in the thesis are to be placed under the heading of nomenclature. This may also contain the details of abbreviations, subscripts, superscripts, and other signs used throughout the thesis. This gives clear idea about the meaning to the reader. Model nomenclature is as shown in the figure. This is a very brief introduction to contents prior to the chapters. Our purpose was to get a general introduction to these contents prior to the chapters. It is expected that you will find this video useful while writing your own thesis. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.